This is RN Chitawar. I am here to give a small demo of my project, which is filtering the spam messages in email services using Naive Bayes classifier. So Naive Bayes classifier is nothing but it's a machine learning technique. So there are different types of machine learning techniques that are used to filter the spam messages, but the Naive Bayes classifier gives more accuracy compared to other filtering systems. Here I'll show you the code which I have used. You can see the code is written in Python, and I have used the Flask. Flask is nothing but it acts as a backend, and also it helps us to give an URL code. This URL code helps our web application to run. And also we have used pandas. Pandas is nothing but it helps us to read the data from the dataset, and also Naive Bayes algorithm is extracted from sklearn. Sklearn is also nothing but is a collection of different types of algorithm. So we have extracted this Naive Bayes algorithm from there. You can see Naive Bayes algorithm, the input data will be tested and also the input data will be trained. So to train such data we need an reference. So to reference, it is meant as a data set which helps to detect whether the spam or not spam. So I have taken a small example such data set from a website named Kaggle. So this is such data set. Here you can see different types of formation of sentences, and this, based on this as a reference, the probability based on each sentence and each word, the given input is spam or not spam will be decided. So it is not necessary to give the input that is present in dataset. We can give other inputs, but this process helps the user to create his own filtering system, which the keywords he want to use can be edited as per the user. So it will be different from user to user. So each user can edit the dataset so that he can have his personalized filtering system. So I'll show you how it works. I have saved all my Python code and the dataset and other requirements to create a web application in a folder. I'll run it in a command prompt. As I have said, I have used the Flask. To run it, we have to download all the Flask application, and this Flask application gives as an URL. As you can see here, we have to save, copy this, and paste it over here. Basically this is the output of our project. Here you can see it is a dialog box where you have to give the input such as mails and messages or whatever you want to detect or predict, and this predict option helps us to predict the output, and clear option to clear everything. I'll give an example here. So this is a small basic conversation we have in our day-to-day life. So it is not a spam as we know. So let's see how it will predict. As you can see, it is predicted as not spam, so which is a good. So I'll give you another thing which mostly repeatedly occur in spams. As you can see, these are such some kind of words or keywords that mostly occur in spams. So let's see how it works. As you can see, it has shown as spam. So this Naive Bayes algorithm works in this case such as it will check for each word, the probability of each word present in spam and also not spam. So which probability has the higher, based on the whole probability of the message, it comes under spam or not spam, it will be predicting. So by this we can have perfect way to detect this spam or not spam. So these basically just detects, so it can be upgraded to by adding the features such as by connecting it to mails or the messages or Outlook we got will be scanned. The direct messages can be scanned and predicted, and also helps the classifier so that the messages can be classified. Here you can see in command prompt whatever the work is going on this web application, everything will be monitored over here. So by this do we can do work in our web application. So basically this is our project.